right, let's look at this question. Brandon drew the model below. The model best represents. And then your answer choices are these different number sentences. So let's look at this. Your number line goes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So your number line is counting by twos. And it starts going to 20. And then your number line goes backwards. When your number line is going backwards, when you're going from a larger to a smaller number on your number line, you're going to be subtracting, okay? So 20, and then we subtract some, and we end up at 12, and then we subtract some more, and we end up at 8, okay? So is this 20 minus 12 minus 8 equals 8? 20 minus 12. Well, let's see. Does this go minus 12? This lands on 12, but that does not mean that that you are subtracting 12, okay? So let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8. You subtracted 8. And then 2, 4. You subtracted 4. So even though we land on 12 and 8, that is not what you are subtracting. 20 minus 12 here does not equal 12. So this right here makes it wrong. 20 plus 12 plus 8 equals 40. Well, you land on 8. This is your final answer, okay? So if your answer does not equal 8, that is not your correct answer. So I can cross that one out, and I can cross that one out because that says it equals 32. And we are not adding, we are subtracting. So let's check this last one. 20 minus 8, 20 minus 8, that works. Minus 4 more. Minus 4, that one works. 20 minus 8 minus 4 equals 8. That is true. That is your answer. Okay, you're going to practice doing this on the next slide.